Baykar recently signed a contract with Saudi Arabia to export Akinci drones. The deal was the largest in the history of the Turkish defense industry. The day before, the amount of the contract became known. Baykar exports Bayraktar TB2 attack drones to 30 countries. Akinci is not as popular so far. Saudi Arabia has become the third drone operator in the region after Kuwait and Qatar. It will pay more than $3 billion for Akinci, but the number of drones is not specified. The Bayraktar Akinci is a drone that can conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, and reconnaissance, as well as strike enemy positions. The drone has a payload capacity of 1,500 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms. The drone can remain airborne for 24 hours. Two AI 450T turboprop engines, or two PD 222 piston engines, allow the drone to reach speeds of more than 300 kilometers per hour.